Well, a model of the Hidalgo Tech exit. Today, my people, I have an infrared PIR motion detector connected to batteries that allows us, one way or another, to improve our security in our home, detecting and sending notifications to our phone if there is or is not movement around itself. This one, as you can see, cost me $25 on Amazon and comes in a pair of 2. Here I'm going to teach you. The unboxing is completely basic. They simply have some double-sided stickers, double-sided tape, and they have the detectors, as you see here, very small. And for its configuration, we are going to use an application called Smart Life. It is an application that allows us to manage our connected home automation devices. By removing the sticker, we already have our detector active and it is automatically found by the application. We give you add, we say with which FE we are going to connect our motion sensor as we just saw, and here I simply have to wait a moment for it to finish installing. Here what is being installed is the Wi-Fi in my network settings. In the detector, as they realized, here it asks me to inform me where I am going to locate it, and I am already receiving notifications for this motion detector. It is extremely easy to use, and the idea is that I am going to have this motion detector not only to let me know if there is movement or not, but so that with the movement some lights will come on in my house. To sort of see what it gives us, we have motion detectors here. That's because I'm pretty close to it, and it's being detected every time I move one of my arms, and there's our motion detector. So for this motion detector, I'm going to show you how I'm going to configure it. I'm going to come here to the motion detector part of the room there, Smart tells me. What are the smart settings I have for the detector? Here I have the basic notifications, the EL, the detector unfortunately cannot be paid. It cannot be paid, we just stop receiving notifications, but the motion detector will always be connected. So I'm going to record here on screen how to set up our motion detector. With the light connected in our smart light application, we are going to select our motion detector. Here are our options. I remove the part that informs me when there is no movement. I just want you to inform me. When there is movement, I go back again, and now I'm going to create an automated scene so that the light turns on when the detector. Find a person here. In the automation part, there are some automations that the application offers by default. I'm not interested in them from here on out, and I give it to create a scene. Here I give you create scene, and here you can create my automation. I want to choose one or multiple devices. I choose a single device, and I choose to be the motion sensor. Here I choose. That when the state of the motion sensor is motion detected, then if so, motion is found. I want you to light a light bulb for me, which is number 2, and for this light bulb to go to on mode. Here I can also choose what brightness I want it to light up. When the motion detector finds motion, the bulb comes on with this brightness that I just specified, and I can tell you what temperature too, and I can tell you at what times or in how long I want this action executed. Here I give it to keep, and I think I have everything fine here. Choo, very good, very good. I think everything's fine there. I can make it work only at night. I can make it work during the day. I'm going to confirm here. I'm going to give it a gift, and I'm going to give it to save this scene. I'm going to give it a name called Terrace Light. on so that the terrace light turns on, and I can immediately execute this action to give it a scene. I just have to locate myself in. Show me all the automations, and my automation is there and must be working without any problems. So what we are going to do now is a test for amortization. The cache period I want to be all day, so automation is going to work for me when I activate my detector. At this moment, let me try the whole room. I'm going here, the motion detector. Said I'm going to prepare, in this case I wanted to, for the alert to be activated so that you can see what is going to happen. When I activate my motion detector in 2 seconds or approximately 3 seconds, my light turns on and everything works perfectly, and so we install and configure our motion detector. If my people like the video, like, share, forget, subscribe. Until next time.